Good morning, class. Welcome back to your maths class. And I hope the previous chapter, large numbers, is more clear to you after the revision. And I hope you have all done your homework. And if you have any problem, we will take the revision later on in our next classes. Okay. Today I am going to start a new chapter, chapter 17, the second chapter of your first term examination, Roman numerals. Roman numerals, as the name suggests, is come from Rome. Okay, they are the numbers before Hindu Arabic number has introduced. Like whatever we have writing 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, whatever the writing we are writing the numbers, they are introduced a very ancient period then. Okay, the Roman numeral system was the most ancient and the popular form of the system, नंबर सिस्टम टिल द इंडो अरेबिक नंबर्स बिकम पॉपुलर एंड वाइड स्प्रेड. जब तक वो नहीं हुए थे टिल देन. ओके, बट आफ्टर बिकमिंग पॉपुलर ऑफ द नंबर्स लाइक द हिंदू अरेबिक नंबर्स, these are get into back just with the Romans. Okay, there are 7 basic symbols in the Roman numeral, and there are some other rules so that you can write the numbers according to that rules. These 7 numerals, 7 symbols are alphabets are the 7 symbols of the Roman numbers. Like I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100, D stands for 500 and M stands for thousands. Okay, there are 7 basic symbols which indicates by the alphabets and having some numeral values like I, V, X, L, 1, 5, 10, 50. I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10 and L stands for 50. Today we are going to learn only about 4 numbers, 4 Roman numerals, and then in the next classes we are going through with the C, D and M, that means 100, 500 and 1000. Now, as you know, there are only 7 basic Roman numerals with writing for the whole counting whatever you want to write. So there must be some rules also. Okay, you got some rules. Today I am going to teach you that rules, that how you are going to write the number in Roman numerals. Okay, the number, the counting from 1 to 50 I am going to teach you. So today the first rule, look at the first rule now. When a smaller value is written before greater value. So the smallest value in that, the smallest value in Roman numeral is I, means 1. Okay, the value of I is 1. So when a smaller value is writing before the greater value, V stands for 5, V stands for 5, right? Okay, so if any value is writing before a greater value, it means the subtraction. But before that, now I am going to tell you one more important rule of Roman numeral. You can't repeat any number, right? You write 1, 2. If the numbers are writing like this, that means I plus I, it will become 2. So I, 1, 2, 3. I plus I means 3, because I stands for 1, so 2 I's stands for 2 and 3 I, 1, 2, 3 I stands for 3. Okay, but you can't repeat the Roman numerals more than 3 times. Can't repeat any Roman numeral before 3 times. I, V means when we write any smaller value Roman numeral before any greater value Roman numeral, it means the subtractions. Okay, that means V stands for 5 minus 1. If I is written on left hand side of V, it means the subtraction. So it will become 4. now 5, now 6. If any smaller value Roman numeral is written on the right hand side of a greater value Roman numeral, it means addition. V again is 5 plus 1 means 6. Okay, this is the way how we write. So I'm go through with the 3 rules. You can't repeat any Roman numeral more than 3 times. If any smaller value Roman numeral is written on the left hand side of a greater value Roman numeral, it means subtraction. And if any smaller value Roman numeral is written on the right hand side of a greater value Roman numeral, it means addition. One more thing to remember till that, you can't repeat V. You can't repeat V. Okay, V means 5. You can't repeat 5. That means V and V is wrong. Okay, so go through with the 6. After that 7. That means 5 plus 1 plus 1 7. That means 5 plus 1 plus 1 8. Then 9. Okay, again. Now x is stand for 10 minus 1 is 9. Because we can't repeat any Roman numeral more than 3 times, that why we can't write 9 as V1 2 3 4. We can't write 9 as this. Okay, that means the I has a value 1. So the smaller value Roman numeral is written on the left hand side of a greater value Roman numeral. That's why it means 10 minus 1 9 and 10. Okay, that is the way, that is the rules. So I am going through with the 3 rules again. You can't repeat any Roman numeral more than 3 times. The repetition of the Roman numeral lies addition. Okay, if any smaller value Roman numeral is written on the left hand side of the greater value Roman numeral, it means subtraction. You can't repeat V means 5. Okay, and if any smaller value Roman numeral is written on the right hand side of a bigger value Roman numeral, it means addition again. Okay, it means addition. That's why 1 to 10. Okay, look at here again. When a smaller value Roman numeral is written before greater value symbol, the smaller value is subtracted from the greater value, like this. I subtracted, that means 5 minus 1, 10 minus 1, 50 minus 10 and 100 minus 10. The letters V, L and D are never subtracted. किसी भी रोमन सिंबल के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे V, L and D never comes. I can be subtracted from V and X only. That means 1 can be subtracted only from V and X only once. Similarly, X can be subtracted only from L and C only once. Even the smaller value symbol is written after the greater value symbol, then the smaller is added to the greater value, as I told you in writing 6. Okay, V है, I है, and V stands for 5 and I stands for 1. That means 5 plus 1 6. Okay, and I को means 1 को you can subtract only from 5 V and 10 X. Okay, आप इसके अलावा as I told you L में से हम 9 को माइनस नहीं कर सकते. So what you have to do first is, in the copy I am going to tell you what to do, how to start the chapter. Write the Roman numeral chapter 17 in your copy, then write make this beautiful table, very beautifully neat and clean in your copy. Then write all these rules. 8 rules are given there. You have to write all these rules in your copy. I'll clear you later on, but you have to write it. So these are in your copy as a note. Okay, and then start writing. What your work is to write the number Roman numeral from 1 to 50. What is your homework? To write the Roman numeral from 1 to 50 in your copy. But after writing, made this table, first make this table and then write the rules which is given to you on page number 138 and 139, 1 to 8. All the rules you have to write and then On the next page, what you have to do, write the Roman numerals from 1 to 50. That means counting from 1 to 50 in Roman numerals. Okay. Till then, bye, take care.